everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Maltese Pajama t-shirt in Hartia. So right now Hartia has a new collaborations with Maltese, and in here you can get any special Maltese items. One of them is Maltese Pajama t-shirt like this. And to get this pajama t-shirt is actually very easy. First, just go to the globe icon and then just go to the Papi Gacha Machine menu like this, and then just tap on exchange store, and then just choose this Maltese pajama t-shirt like this. It's so cute. And to buy this pajama t-shirt, you need 130 Maltese tokens. So make sure you have enough tokens before buy it. And if you don't know how to get these tokens, you can just click the link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial how to get it. And after that, after you have enough tokens, you can just tap on purchase to buy it, and this Maltese pajama t-shirts will automatically add it to your collections. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.